Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. What is your name? My name is Muhammad Azhar. What is your father name? Father name is Abu Parvez. What is your mother name? My mother name is Rani Parvez. How old are you? I am 11 years old. Where do you live? I live in Howrah. What is your profession? I am a student by profession. How many siblings you are? We have 3 brothers and no sisters. What is your state name? My state name is Bengal. What's your district and pin code of each? My district name is Howrah, sector 701. In which school do you study? I am studying currently 6th September. In which class you are? I am studying 7th and 8th school. What is your mission in life? I run as a tanker. In which subject you are interested the most? My favorite subject is math. Who is your idol person? My idol person is Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What's your way of living? I way of living Islam. What is your father by occupation? My father is a businessman by occupation. What is your mother by occupation? My mother is a housewife by occupation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.